Hello everyone. So today I'm going to be unboxing Silk and Bella Flash Pro that I bought from Costco, and it was around $140 or around 140 something with tax. So yeah, I've already cut the box open. I just have to open it and let's see what's inside. So the first thing you'll see is some bubble wraps for protection. Then it just comes with the box with the item on it. So this is how it looks right now. Okay, and then just open it and see what's in it. Okay, looks really nice. Okay. All right. Okay. So it looks like this. It's a nice box. Then, wow. Okay. So looks like this. Cute little box. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so some foam paper here, and then manuals here. I think it's just a cleaning cloth here. Phone number to contact in case of emergency. And then the product warranty book. Don't forget to register your product in case of, any manufacturer damage. So the box, as you can see here, comes with a laser removal, hair removal, and then a charger. Nothing else. Yeah, that's it actually. There are some few spots here, like these two, but I don't know what these are for. I don't see anything here, so I hope I'm not missing anything. But that's all you get. So I'm very excited to use this and see the results. And I think I'll be posting a video, a first time video, using this product, and then maybe a weekly video just to see the outcome of how fast this product is going to remove my remove hair from my body. Yeah, I'll keep you all posted. So yeah, this is what you get. And again, I bought it from Costco, and I love Costco's products, so I always like to try their new stuffs, and because they have great customer service. So in case if I don't like this product or if it doesn't work for me, then I can definitely go and return it. Okay, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.